আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, সবাইকে স্বাগতম আমার বেসিক পাইপিং অ্যান্ড ওয়েল্ডিং কোর্স ক্লাসে। সো ওয়েলকাম টু অল অফ ইউ ইন বেসিক পাইপিং অ্যান্ড ওয়েল্ডিং কোর্স ক্লাস। And these all lectures you can watch from Watch and Learn Facebook page and YouTube channel Nur Muhammad. So today we are going to be start lecture 10. So previously I have uploaded in my video in my YouTube channel up to lecture 9. So if you have any comments or feedbacks, please give your feedbacks in my YouTube channel comments box or Facebook page comment section. So from there I can learn something. If I give you any misinformation or wrong information, please inform to me, then I can correct myself, then I can learn something from you. So today we are going to be start lecture 10. So this lecture also we are discuss about flange and type of flanges, including their code and standards. So from lecture 6 to lecture 10 we are to continue discussing about flanges. Actually flange is the most important component for piping system. So we take a long time to discuss about the flanges. So I think you get some information from me whatever actually in practical life is most important, and you can be use your practical life also. So let's see what we have in today lectures, lecture 10. So if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, and request your friends to subscribe my YouTube channel to get the all latest update lectures. So discussion on flanges. So today in the lecture 9 also we discuss based on facing. There we discuss related to RF flange, FF flange and RTJ flange. So we'll continue these lectures from lecture 9. So this lecture there was until 3, so now today is number 4. So this is the tongue and group size. So this flanges actually type of based on facing, so tongue and group. So I will try to share you to some information very shortly, and basic information only is here. So I hope you will be stay with me until the class continue and until the finish of this class. So tongue and group. So this tongue and group, one flange face has a raised ring tongue, another flange face machine onto the flange face and make a group. So tongue and group size must need to be matched. So let's see the figure. So you can see here this is the tongue. So one face have the tongue, and this is the group. So another face have the group. So this size and this size must be matched. If not matched, then we cannot install the flange on top of this flange. So let's see the next slide. So beside you can see the another configuration is here, tongue and group. So this is the D. So this is the big D, this small d is the inner. This is the this is for the tongue, and this is for the group. So this is the group size. So let's see. So tongue and group. So you see raised face and tongue face. This snapshot you see in the case of flanges having raised face, tongue or male face, the minimum flange thickness TF shall be provided, and then the raised face, tongue or male face shall be added 3 to. So that means this TF will be same. This TF you cannot make less. So whatever they use this tongue or group, this should be the additional with the actual thickness. So this actual thickness I already tell you that you can get all the table 8 to 22. So you can refer the ASME B 16.5 to get that is all the dimension. So previous on all the tongue. So now you see the group. For flange faces that have a ring joint group or female face, so ring joint group or female face, the minimum flange thickness shall first the provided, and then sufficient thickness added 3 to. so that the bottom of the ring joint group or the contact face of the group or female face in the is in the same plane as the flange edge of a full thickness range. So these things also the same. Then another type of flange is the male and female flanges. So let's see what is the male and female. This male female also the almost same as the tongue and groove flanges. So let's see it here. So with this type of flanges also must be matched male and female size. Then one flange face has a area that extended beyond the normal flange face male. The other flanges or mating flange has a matching depression of female machine into its face. So you can see here there was the one group is here, but in this case no group on the male and on another is the female. So male and female connection is here. So you can see the photos. This is the male and female flanges. So tongue and group and male and female, then with these both I try to show you together, then you can understand what is the difference in these two facing type. So from this figure you can see male face. So this is the male face, so C3, and then this is the female face. So C3 dimension and C4 dimension must be matched. So C3 should be go inside the C4. If C3 bigger than C4, then we cannot go to the inside the C4. So another things, if this is the very small, also here will be more gap. So this dimension all you need to refer to the maybe 16.5. So this is the main flange thickness. This is the race face or male extended thickness. So this is the figure for the male and female. And this is the tongue face. So you can see from here, this is the tongue face. Previously I show you photos picture the tongue face, then this is the tongue face. So this case also same. So this is the group face. So you can see the group. So this tongue face must go to the inside the group, this tongue face must go to the group, then only you can match the face. So that's why we telling the must match the size. So this is the thickness, this is the 4f3. So these all the things dimension you can get from ASPB 16.5. So this is the CFF value. What is the value for the this size? So you can see the tongue and male and female or tongue and group. This is the size. This is the 2 mm for 2 mm raise face. This is the 7 mm raise face, and this is the size. Then this is the ring joint group type. So if you are more interested to know about the piping and about the flanges, please read the ASME 16.5. Then you will be more understand. Then these things also same. I already the previously also I show the same photos. So here you can see large or small tongue face. Then this is the tongue face requirement. Then URT. These all the things you can get from the table. So basically in this lecture I try to give you the some hints or some idea where to get, how to get. So I am not going to be discuss the details. So if I get the in future I get the opportunity, then I will try to share with you more details one by one. So that one was the based on facing. So now I will discuss about the based on face finish. So face finish will be how, then based on face finish also we have the differentiation in flange. So let's see what is the based on finish. So there are two types of finish done on to the facing. Number one is the smooth finish flanges, and number two is the serrated finish flanges. So for the smooth finish flanges how look like, and serrated finish how look like, I try to show you in photos, and I will give you some information is here. So let's see the smooth finish. So this finish show no visual apparent tool marking. So you can see in this flange face there, this is the smooth, here don't have any marking or any apparent marking or something. Let's see the next seriated finish, then you will be understand more. So for the seriated finish, this is also a continuous or monographic spiral group. but if differ from the stock finish in that the group typically is generated using a 90-degree tool which create a B geometric with 45-degree angle seriation. So you can see in these pictures, this is the rough face, so this is the seriated face actually. So this seriation actually make 90-degree tool use, and this shape will be the B geometric shape and 45-degree angle. I try to share with you some more information regarding the seriated finish. Let's see. The smooth finish flanges are specified. The previous flanges is smooth finish on, while metallic gasket are specified, and seriated finish is provided when a non-metallic gasket is provided. So for the metallic gasket, when you use the metallic gasket, that normally use the flange is the face finished on, and the seriated use for the non-metallic gasket. So seriated finish either concentric or spiral. So this finish can be concentric or spiral. I forgot to attach that pictures in here. I will try to make one more lectures for only the seriation, how much will be the accepted and what is the acceptable criteria, how we are going to be inspect the seriation, and if the seriation is damaged, then how we are going to be repair, and how you will going to be the inspection and accepted. So all the things I will make one lectures for the only for the seriated flanges. So let's see, the after is required with 45 to 55 groups per inches. So in this seriation, if you count 1 2 3 4 like that, so here if the length is the 1 inches, should be this type of group is the 45 to 55 groups, and result roughness between 125 to 500 micro inches. So this roughness, for this roughness also I will share with you my next lecture when I make the lecture for the seriated flanges and their acceptable criteria and repair procedure as well. So these are all the actually types of flanges. So up to now we are discuss lecture 6 to lecture 10 only for the type of flanges. So we have the one more type of flanges, that is the orifice flange. So related to orifice flange, I will prepare one lecture, and I will try to share with you some information about the orifice flange. So thanks to all for watching these full lectures, and if you still not follow my Facebook page and not like my Facebook page, please like my Facebook page, watch and learn, and invite to your friends as well if you think these all the lectures are benefited for them also. So I need your feedback to improve my lectures. So you can give me your feedback by comment section in my YouTube channel Nur Muhammad and my Facebook page Watch and Learn. So today we are going to be close this lecture. So if any questions, you ask me in comments section. So thanks to all for watching full lectures, and see you soon in my next lectures. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.